Hi friends, this is Dinisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come up with a video to share one of our weekend day out experience with Exoticamp. In October we booked a nature camp to Tada. To trek and swim with just 2 hours drive from Chennai, Tada is an excellent place to visit. On the way back, we also visited Pulicat Lake, and the overall experience of this whole trip was relaxing and satisfying. We were exhilarated about this whole trip as this was going to be our first camp experience. And more than that, we have little Abram with us, so we were excited to see how he is gonna like and enjoy this whole new experience with us. We were instructed to be at the camp location between 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So we started at 2 p.m. in the afternoon and reached the location by 4:15. Once we reached, we parked our vehicle, got our bags to the allocated tents. Then they served us tea and cookies. The camping includes our stay in tents, evening tea snacks, dinner, breakfast, and a campfire at night. In the campsite, there are some outdoor games, swings available for kids and elders. After swinging and chilling for some time, we changed to our comfortable clothes for nature walk. We have a guide who was leading the group. There were 3 more families in this trip from Chennai and Bangalore. Now, let me give you some details about this trip with Exoticamp. We got their details from Instagram. They have multiple camp locations. We chose Tada as this was the nearest to us. Once the booking for the camping is confirmed, they will add us to a WhatsApp group where they'll share the do's and don'ts in the camping and the list of things which we must carry with us. And the items includes a photocopy of our ID proof, a change cloth or a night clothes, and we must bring sweaters or any other thick clothing to keep us warm in case we are booking in winters. Cap, sunglasses, sunscreen depending on the season, comfortable shoes, flip-flops and torch, reusable water bottles, backpack to pack the stuff instead of suitcase or a travel bag for the convenience, enough plastic covers to keep wet clothes, mosquito repellent, personal medication if any, and a positive travel attitude. After walking for some time, we reached this place that we see in the video right now. During monsoon, the water will overflow from here where we can sit and play in the water. I have seen in some videos where the families are enjoying and having a lot of fun in the water in the same place, but right now the water level is low, so there was nothing much for us to do here. So we just sat for some time, spent time watching the sunset, and then we returned to our camp location. It was only 6:30 in the evening while we were returning, but it became dark early. So we were using our mobile torch for the light. Once we reached the camp location, we spent some time in the swings, and Abram was enjoying all of that. After that, we left him to play down in the soil for some time. We live in flats here, so it's not every day that he gets to play in a soil or a grass, and he loves nature, whether it's playing in water, grass, or playing with animals. He enjoys all of that. So whenever we get chance, we leave him to play for some time. Later, dinner was served. Dinner was simple and delicious. The menu was egg curry, chana, chapati, curd rice, pickle and chips. After dinner, campfire was set, where we played drum-shuras, listened to music and spent our rest of the time. Later we went back to our tents to sleep. This is the next morning. If I have to share my experience of sleeping in the tent, then honestly I couldn't sleep the whole night, because it was the month of October and it was really hot inside, and without a fan I started feeling a little claustrophobic and came out of the tent as soon as I put Abram to sleep. At night, the most of the time I spent was outside the tent. Even Abram couldn't get enough sleep, so he was also a little cranky the whole time. After we got fresh, we had our breakfast and packed to go to see Tada waterfalls. This is not included in the package, but the waterfalls are very close to our camp location. Abram loves to play in water, so we had already planned to go there, and I carried the swimming tube for him so that he can enjoy and have a lot of fun in the water. It was a beautiful scenery around us with all the greens and trees and flowing water. We found a place to settle ourselves within just 5 minutes of walking, so we stopped there and didn't go to see the top of the waterfall because no one was interested to walk that much.
One, two, three.
Now you can see the cranky baby has turned to a happy baby inside the water. If you're liking and enjoying this video, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I know I'm not posting contents or videos in my channel continuously like how I used to do. That's because of so many different reasons. I will discuss all of that in my upcoming vlogs. This year, I'm trying to start vlogging and sharing contents continuously like how I used to do before. And all I need is your support. Please show some love and support to my videos and channel, and feel free to share your comments below on what kind of videos you would like to see in my channel. On the way back, we also went to Pulicat Lake. Pulicat is the second largest brackish water lagoon in India. We also did some boating there. And that's all about our whole weekend trip. Hope you all liked it. See you all soon with another exciting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.